Hello everyone. My name is Abhilash and I am first semester CSC student from Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangalore. My product name is Mouse. My startup company name is Expert Technology and my product name is Mouse. This is my company logo. Feedback collected during empathy. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one is biometric authentication, fingerprint or vein recognition for secure login. Second one is advanced button customization, user-defined button mapping and macros. Third one is 3D modeling and printing integration, directly manipulating 3D models. Fourth one is nanorobotics, micro robots for maintenance and repair. Fifth one is water resistant. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are to be added to the existing product. The first one is cooling technology. Second one is wireless charging. Third one is programmable buttons. Fourth one is built-in speaker or mic. Fifth one is trackball option. And my futuristic product name is Neuroglide. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. This is the sketch of the mouse. Testing. As actual working models are not prepared, the testing stage is considered as the positive comments received for this presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.